contour tomato, okay? But the food, actually, we have it some in the museum. It is, which is the fava beans, okay? And the fava beans is so healthy, and it's a very nourishing. It has a lot of minerals, has a lot of essential protein that people needs, okay? And it's very, very filling. So actually, if you look at with the pharaohs, you'll see it with the pharaohs. That's how they bake the ful and how they cook. So it's like a cooker, a slow cooker, okay? And I brought that from Egypt. Stainless steel. Fava beans, so already cooked and ready to be marinated or garnished your way. All right, so people garnish it so many ways. Different. You can with the Mexican. Usually because olive oil, you cannot put it in hot. You cannot make it hot. So I use a lot of ghee. A lot of people say, oh, fat is not bad, but actually ghee is from the cow and it's really healthy for you. So I go with the good oils, the coconut, olive, and avocado, and then other oils. But the ghee is just for flavors, just for a quick thing, okay? So I'm gonna have one, and then the protein, and so I love my little gadgets. So I just mince it, so this one already. Garlic, I use my tiny hands. Hummus, and then we did competition, did you know? So I'm adding the fava beans here with the garlic, okay? So in Egypt, you're not gonna see them do that, but I love garlic. I add garlic to everything. It helps me, slightly just to help to digest easy. So it's really takes time. But like I say, have always a can of ful on standby if you want to eat quickly, right?
Not cinnamon.
Cumin is in everywhere and everything, okay? It's very good for you. Like that. Usually, sometimes I use also hot pepper, so this one we're gonna minimize it. I just use the hot pepper. A lot of Himalayan salt in all my cooking. So, and that really helps. So, and I can tell you the pros and cons of that. Lemon or lime is, it's okay. It's whatever you like, the flavor, and you can eat it hot or cold, okay? So that's it. So that's okay. Yummy, yummy, right? And so the other thing is, go baby, go! The people they have a cart, okay, and on the road. So they have this thing as huge as this hemp seed oil. Oh. But hemp seed oil is very good for you, definitely. But it has a little. Eat it. It's gonna taste so good. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.